Hi everyone, my name is Krishna Kumar Gaud and I have completed my engineering in 2019. Right now I am preparing for my cadet program classes through Golden Epaulettes. I joined GE in the mid of August. I am preparing for Indigo Cadet Pilot Program for NZI CPA. My experience at GE has been so good. Initially I was confused, but after taking few classes and after meeting Prem sir and all the teaching staffs, I felt very good and it was so nice. My experience on A320 simulator was amazing. As a future pilot aspirant, I always wanted to be in the cockpit, and through the sim session by Golden Epaulettes, I completed my dream.